computers used to be literal. If you searched for king, they looked for the letters K-A-N-G. They didn't know that king is related to queen, crown, or royalty until now. This is an embedding. It's a way of translating words, sentences, or images into a list of numbers. A vector, these numbers represent the meaning of the content, not just the characters. Imagine a giant 3D map of meaning. When we turn words into numbers, similar concepts land close together. Dog sits near cat, car sits near truck, but pizza is far away in the food neighborhood. This map is called vector space. This powers semantic search. Old search looked for matching words. Vector search looks for matching meaning. You can search "my internet is broken" and it finds Wi-Fi troubleshooting guide, even if they don't share a single keyword. Because on the map, those ideas are neighbors. So, what is a vector database? It's a specialized database built to store these number lists and find nearest neighbors instantly. Standard databases like SQL are bad at this math. Vector DBs like Pinnacle or Weaviate are built for it. The killer app. RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. When you ask ChatGPT about your private company data, it first searches a vector DB to find the relevant pages, then uses them to answer. It's how AI gets long-term memory without hallucinations. It's not just text. You can embed images and audio into the same map. That's how you can search for a photo of a sunset just by typing the word, or find a song that sounds like another song. It's multimodal. Embeddings are the bridge between human language and machine understanding. If this helped, like the video and subscribe to the AI Buzz YouTube channel. It really helps us grow.